Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the service mode on this Hoover HWash 300 Lite. Now this is a 9 kg 1400 model, but this should work for any capacity and spin speed of the HWash 300 Lite range. I believe it is different for the HWash 300 Plus, I think it is, and the 500 series. So first of all, you want to make sure the drum is empty and that the door is closed and the machine is off on the fascia. Now, we want to turn it to cotton, and before anything appears properly, we press temperature once. Now it will come up with, all the LEDs will flash on. It says 102 on the display. I don't know what that means because I'm not familiar with this. Press start. Now it will start by filling. I assume it's checking each valve. So, free wash at the moment. Main wash, and it's also doing the motor test for tumbling. Now softener and anti-clockwise tumble. Now immediately drains. Now spin. Up to 600 RPM by the looks of it. Now it's doing the all LED test, so it's changed from 102 to 888, which tests all the LEDs, and I presume this means it's finished, so guess I'll turn it off then. And then, to get out of service mode, turn it off and back on, and you're out of service mode. And you can wait for the door to unlock, and then you're ready to continue washing. Hopefully that helps you diagnose what your machine and find out what the fault is, or just if you're interested. Don't do it with clothes. Yeah, and then otherwise, service mode is a very useful tool to discover and diagnose faults on your machine if you're not immediately aware of what they are, or if they're not obvious. But it's not to be messed around with. You saw how fast that went into spin. It's even faster than LG, and LG goes into spin fast, as you will know. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it helped you. If it did, then please leave a like. And there's the door unlocking. All done. So yeah, I'm not liable for any injury caused by abuse of service mode or using it incorrectly. I'm just here to provide tutorials and helpful information. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.